Somebody recently asked me, on their Android phone, is there any other way to take a screenshot other than finding the two buttons and pressing them at the same time? He just was uncomfortable with that. And yes, there is. Let me show you. Let's say I have a map on the screen of where we are. I mean, because it's so cool. We're in the middle of the ocean, somewhere between Manila and Singapore, and I want a screenshot of that. Instead of finding the two buttons and getting my fingers coordinated, I can swipe down from the top right. That shows me what's called quick settings. And right here is a button that takes a screenshot. And notice that it was smart enough that I didn't want a screenshot of the quick settings. I wanted a screenshot of the other screen. So it did that. And now where is that screenshot? It's in my photos. Right there. I have a screenshot. All right, but what if when you on your Android phone swipe down to see your quick settings and you don't see this one that I used as screenshot? First of all, it might be there. It might just be further down. You can swipe down on this window shade and see more, and you might see take screenshot somewhere else. But if you don't, first of all, we have another video on how to customize this screen. It's video 974. But let me show you just quickly. You would tap the edit pencil at the top and then add a control. So there are dozens and dozens of commands that you can add to this quick settings screen. And you can just scroll and see them all. It's under capture is take screenshot. Mine is grayed out because it's already there. But if yours wasn't there, you can add it, and then you can even tap edit and you can move it around to some place better suited for you. So that is another way to take a screenshot on an Android, or at least this is a Samsung, but I think it's pretty much the same on most Androids, that you have this quick settings from the top right and that you can customize those quick settings.